Have you ever explained something, but the other person just didn't get it? They interrupt, they zone out, or they completely miss the point. It's frustrating. The problem is, it's usually not what you're saying, it's how you're saying it. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jason, and I share simple career skills to help you succeed. In this video, I'll show you the real reasons why people don't listen and the simple ways to fix it. If you want people to listen to you at work, in meetings, or in everyday conversations, you do not need to be louder. You just need to be clearer and more intentional. Let's break down the 6 most common mistakes people make and what to do instead. Number 1, you talk too much. The first reason people stop listening is because you're talking too much. This happens to a lot of people, especially when you're trying to explain something important. You keep adding more detail, more examples, more words, but the more you talk, the more people switch off. People don't listen better with more information. They listen better with less but clearer information. Okay, how do we fix this? Well, you need to keep your message simple. Instead of explaining everything, you need to be very precise and not waffle. Then you need to stop talking and you need to let it sink in. You need to give that person that you're talking to the opportunity for them to have that information and let it sink in. Number 2, you don't get to the point quickly enough. This is a big one. If people have to wait too long to understand your point, they lose interest. So think about this. This example I'm going to give you happens to a lot of us. If someone is talking or someone started talking, you're listening, and you start thinking to yourself, where is this going? That's pretty much a good sign that you've stopped listening to that person. So it's very important to start with your point first and be very specific. Clear speakers lead with the message. Rambling speakers bury it. Number 3, you sound unsure. People listen to confidence. If you sound unsure, hesitant, apologetic, people don't take your message seriously. For example, I'm not sure if this makes sense, or this might be a bad idea, but you've already weakened your message by starting that way. To fix this, say it with certainty. Here's a better way to do it. This will improve the result. You don't need to be aggressive. You just need to be clear and confident. Number 4, you're not engaging them. If you're just talking at people, they'll tune out. People listen when they feel involved, not when they feel like they're being lectured. What to do instead? Bring them into the conversation with simple questions like, does this make sense? What do you think? Have you seen this happen before? It's not just about you talking. It's a conversation. And people pay attention to conversations. Number 5, you're not being clear enough. Sometimes people don't listen because they're confused. If your message is unclear or too complex or all over the place, people give up trying to follow. What to do instead? Make your message easy to understand. Use simple words. Use short sentences. Present one idea at a time. I use this one often. If a 12-year-old wouldn't understand it, it is probably too complicated. It's something to think about. Number 6, you don't pause. This is a very simple one, but a powerful one. If you talk non-stop, people don't get time to process what you're saying. And when that happens, they stop listening. How to fix this? You need to pause. After you make a point, stop talking for a second. Silence feels uncomfortable, but it makes your message stronger. Okay, we're getting to the end of this video. Let's do a quick recap. If people aren't listening to you, it's usually because you're talking too much or you're not getting your point across. You sound unsure. You're not engaging them. You're not clear. You don't pause. If you fix these, people will start paying more attention. Now we're at the action plan. Here's what to do after this video. Be aware of how long you're speaking. Start with your main point first. Speak clearly and confidently. Ask simple questions to involve others. Keep your message simple. Pause after your key points. This is an important one. You don't need to change everything at once. Okay, so just be very clear about that. The key points that I've just mentioned, there's a few there to take in. You don't need to change them all at once. What I want you to do is just to start noticing these habits and then improve them step by step. If you want to keep improving your communication skills, feel free to check out our communication courses at Courses for Success. The links are below. They do go into much more detail and show you exactly how to apply these skills. And if you found this video helpful, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.